GM folks, if you're watching this, it probably means you are participating in Permahacks by viewers and want to contribute something to the Betteridea AI auto completion bounty. So for that, we will have a look at what things you need to know in order to contribute. So first of all, you will need to have the source code for Betteridea IDE cloned on your machine. To do that, simply go over to the Betteridea GitHub repository and have a look at the README. All the steps are mentioned here, so you are good to go. Next, you need to look into the views folder where you can find a folder called editor, where you can find a couple of files, one for the notebook editor and one for the single file editor. So let's have a look at the notebook editor. In here you can see these functions which basically handle AI auto completion at its current stage. Now this is a bare bones implementation which participants can use as a base for their implementation of AI. Now there are three kinds of cells in the notebook editor. The first one is the simple Lua code cell. The next one is a markdown editor which renders markdown, and the third one is a latex editor where people can type in maths formulas and it will appear beautifully like this. Now the target is to add AI autocomplete for all three of these, but if there are any time constraints, feel free to add it for just the code auto completions. The next one is the single file editor. Now no AI autocomplete has been integrated in this right now. So you can reference the functions from the notebook editor for adding it to the single file editor too. This is an example of the single file editor. Now this may also include markdown, such as this one right here. Now you are free to use this as a base and add on to it, like enhance these features, make it better, or you can also implement a totally different approach that you want. You may also use the LLMs on AO. That would be a big plus point. But if you are using some third-party service such as GitHub Copilot or Google Gemini, you are free to use these too. Now that's all you need to know in order to contribute. You now know which files you need to look at and what you need to do. Good luck, all the best.